Hello guys, welcome back. Hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So we'll be continuing with our general toxicology revision series with our next topic, our next short note, factors influencing the action of poison. First, dose. Second, form of poison. Third, route of administration. And fourth, general condition of the body. Dose. As a general rule, small doses produces therapeutic action. Large doses produces toxic effects. However, there are certain exceptions to this general rule. Exceptions. Idiosyncrasy. This is the inherent hypersensitivity to a particular drug or agent so that even a small dose may cause death. Example, cocaine, morphine, iodine. Allergy. It is the acquired hypersensitivity due to the formation of antibodies during the previous administration of the same agent. Example, penicillin, other productive sera. Tolerance. Certain agents on the repeated administrations are tolerated by the body so that a higher dose is required to produce the original effect. Example, alcohol, arsenic. Synergism. The effect produced due to combination of substances is more than the sum of individual effects. Example, alcohol with barbiturates. With the change in the dose, the entire action of the poison may change. Example, arsenic in high doses is narcotic poison. Form of poisons. Physical state. The poison in gaseous state is more poisonous than liquids which are more poisonous than solids. Generally, concentrated poison is absorbed rapidly. Some intact poisonous vegetables, seeds are not poisonous, but if crushed, they are rapidly fatal. Chemical combination. Pure arsenic and mercury are not poisonous, while the salts are highly poisonous. Some chemicals are less poisonous, example mercurous chloride, then mercury chloride, barium sulfate, then barium nitrate. A combination of chemicals may either be less effective or more effective. Mechanical combination. The mechanical substances physically hinder the absorption of the poison. Example, charcoal, oily substances. Absorption of poison is slow and on full stomach. Route of administration. Route. Poisoning through inhalation is more effective than intravenous, then intramuscular, then oral, then application on the skin. Poisoning through mouth is more effective than rectal poisoning. Absorption through skin is slower than through mucous membrane. Change in the route. A change in route may cause change in action of poison. Example, snake venom is effective only when injected into the body. Cocaine on ingestion, dilaudid on injection, local anesthetic. Curare on injection, inert. On injection, highly toxic. Conditions of the body. Age. Poisons have greater effect at the two extremes of age. State of health. Persons in poor health are most susceptible to poisons. Example, 30% concentration of carbon monoxide in blood may kill a person suffering from coronary heart disease. In certain diseases, the tolerance of the body to certain drugs is increased. Example, hypnotics and opiates in mania or delirium tremens and strychnine in paralysis. Sleep and intoxication. The bodily functions are at low metabolic levels. During sleep and intoxication, the action of a poison is therefore delayed. If a person goes to sleep after taking it, or if a person is intoxicated when he takes a poison. Human poisoning. The circumstances may be suicidal, homicidal, stupefying, or accidental. Suiciding. Okay, we'll cover this in the next video. Thank you.